Today, we're going to tackle a common issue many of us face fixing internet problems with Google services. Let's get started. Are you experiencing slow loading times or complete inability to access Google services like search, Gmail, or YouTube? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's dive into the steps you can take to fix this. The first step is to ensure your internet connection is stable. Here's how you can check it. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Sometimes switching between networks can help. If the connection is still unstable, try restarting your router. Unplug it and wait for 10 minutes. Wait for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. You can also run a speed test to ensure you're getting the speeds you're paying for. Websites like speedtest.net are great for this. If your internet connection is fine but the Google services are still slow, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings for Chrome, click on three dots in the upper, then go to settings. Navigate to privacy and security. Then click on delete browsing data or clear browsing data. And and select all time and make sure cookies and other size data and cache and files are checked. An outdated browser can also cause issues. Ensure your browser is up to date. In Chrome, on settings, go help. Go to help and about Google Chrome. If there is an update available, it will automatically start downloading. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix the Google internet issues.